kan ni bala tho ru daki dan ki seng nang ni ki bala tho kum kas ka khasi author society but it remind ya ka ministry halor kan ni ka shithi but ka ministry ru kala on ba kan ya chikmat ya kan ni ba kan Pynrung ha next session mereka bakan det kalau ba la dan lagi MP jong kan ni ke jela ka jong ni ki ba penle sange ya kan ni ka jing tho ka ba ki question bale ka rong dang ka khasi language bale ka mrung ka karong language kabaling mak kalau kita kinong yalam jongi ki badai kinong ni khmat jong kan ka jela ka jongi Meghalaya kim sumdan kata ka jing so kamen ladang ni at least ni ka way ka language jong ka state Pynrung ka banyo nak ka jing itu nak mentang but kentang dan tu kan ka effort ka jongi lang baro manginang la pen phai kata ka language ka bakiwi ki kwa pade bakandang ru ngai haki snam ki bansawan
we are as a state government trying very hard to get the recognition for our languages in the 8th schedule, and therefore this particular effort will only help us to be able to achieve this particular goal. I'm so very saddened to see some news by some individuals in the past few days about certain blame towards the government about the inclusion of certain languages in the 8th schedule, and blaming the Honorable Chief Minister and the government that we are blocking the entire process of KHASI language coming in because Garo language is not being included, sir. Sir, this is a really ridiculous kind of blame that the individuals are making towards the government. Sir, in the last many years, no language has got any kind of recognition. The last was done, if I'm not wrong, in 2003-04, and therefore the question of anybody blocking any language does not occur. And therefore, I don't understand why this kind of unnecessary comments are made. The individuals who look into this aspect, sir, should do their research and find out, then rather than just trying to play to the gallery and trying to create confusion among the public. So we as a government are committed and we will move forward. It is the government of India that will decide which particular language should come in the 6th schedule and not 8th schedule or not, and it is not up to the state government to block any language. Whichever language meets the specifications and requirements will get, sir. So therefore these kind of allegations are baseless, and I thought I would make this point, sir, during my reply.